Alright. So we are good to go. Hey guys! Cat Demon 43 doing my second, or I guess I should say, third recording of the Coma. But here I'm just gonna turn down the music a tad. Same with sound effects. Because last time the music was a bit loud. So, yeah. And, there we go. So, last time we left off, we had a strange dream, or more of a nightmare, and we ended up oversleeping for an exam, our final exam, and we had to rush out of our house and forget our cell phone. But on the way we ended up meeting this strange girl named Yeso, or Yesol. I think it's Yeso, but anyway. We ended up meeting her and then finding out that a classmate and fellow friend, he wasn't part of our class, but a classmate of ours, he ended up trying to commit suicide the night in the school itself, and yeah, things like that got really weird. But the weird part of it all was when we ended up going to our school and trying to do our exam, we fall asleep, and then we wake up in the middle of the night, no one's around, and no one seems to have bothered to wake us up. So now we are stuck in the school at night. It's all Silent Hill-esque. We are in trouble. Also, in my previous video, I mentioned I'd try to fix the lag, and it seems to be a bit better. Although it might just be due to the fact that my computer is very, very old, and that I need to get a new one. Let's see. Okay. No, I seem to be moving pretty good, actually. Yeah, actually, I'm doing pretty well. Now, my shift, I'm just trying to remember my controls, guys. Just making sure. Okay, so that's my run button. And, actually. Okay, I just want to remember my controls, guys. Because it's been a bit. Just been trying to fix my computer. Okay, so that's all I really need to know is just interact. And stuff like that. Yeah. Flashlight, you are godsend right now. It's still a bit slow, but whatever. I'll deal with what I got. This place is way too quiet. Hello? Is someone there? Hey! Oh. Crap, that's Miss Song, but why is her face all black? Her face is all blacked out, yeah. Oh, that's... yeah, that's bad. Miss Song? Dots? Question dots? What? No, dots. That's not good. Miss Song? Is that you? Miss Song? Is that who you want me to be? Okay. Her eyes and how she's... that's not normal. That's not normal at all. That's bad. Sorry I missed our meeting. Do you not see? Like, I'm gonna just finish reading first before tangent. I'm sorry I missed our meeting. I'm such an idiot. Is everything okay? You look kind of pale. Look at her eyes, dude. Her it's more than her being pale. Her eyes just look demonic. Like, look at that shit. Like, that's not normal. It's creepy. Like, here we go. I can't. No, you moron. Hey, shouldn't we reschedule our meeting for tomorrow? I can barely see you. Come to me. And her lipstick is smudged. Or is that blood? I can't tell. What? Come here! Oh, shit. She looks so pissed. The door's jammed. I know. I'm trying to run. Oh my god. Go. Oh! Yeah. Down the song retarded. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Okay. Dots. Is she gone? Yeah. To reveal yourself, press E again. No! Oh, I didn't mean to press E. F. I am turning that shit off. Because that will lead... Yeah, what the hell was that? But... Oh. Okay, what's this? I found a note. Any for note. Twisted love. Much like all other guys in Sewa, I've got it bad for Mina. She's always been so nice to me. I know I'm not a handsome, smart, or funny guy. Why would she be interested in a fat geek when she already has every guy in school after her? I know that asshole Mingil is always bugging her, and I can't stand it. I don't need to be scared of him, though. Now that I have these new powers, I can end his harassment. Maybe then she'll fall for me. Okay, then. Okay, so it's just me going through doors that seem to be, like, the glitch issue. Yeah, be cautious. You look like you have to go to the bathroom, though. Yeah, you look like you have to go to the bathroom. Okay. Yeah, that just seems to be the delay, but everything else seems to be somewhat good. Anything? Holy shit. I think that box cutter was covered in blood. She looked kind of sick. Like a sick succubus. Oh, for God's sakes. Oh, God damn it, young ho. Well, get your head out of the gutter. Yeah, no kidding. Now's not the time. This can't be happening. Duh, I'm dreaming. It's only natural my paranoia over the exams would lead to such an intense nightmare. Ouch! Okay, slapping myself did not help. The police! I'm such an idiot. Okay, stay calm. Oh no, what? I forgot my phone at home? Seriously? Press M to check map. Okay, so there's the exit and the cafeteria. Tight. Oh, for God's sakes, I did not mean to do that with the toilet. found in Devmont green tea. Lock tight. Okay, so you can hide in here. Yeah, that means like you're hiding, I guess. Even at night, I should still be able to see something outside. Why is it so dark? Maybe because you're like, I don't know, from like Corpse Party, an interdimension thing? Okay, so shift is my run, so I gotta remember that. But... shit, did she go up or did she go down? Oh my god. These are in the way. Gotta get to the bathroom. What the hell? Whoa! Holy shit! Where the fuck did she come from? Okay. The cafeteria. That was not my intention. Oh. Oh, son of a bitch. I keep pressing E. Get your butt back in there. God damn it, me. Okay. This area seems good. I'm gonna save. Freaking hell. Okay, so lag isn't as bad-ish as before. I can run pretty easily. But this takes a while. Found a note. Then decides to do that and not let me. There we go. Okay, mysterious girl. I ran into a mysterious girl. I've never seen her around, but she's definitely the hottest girl at Sewa. She wasn't stuck up either. When we made eye contact, I knew I was in love. Jeez Louise and biscuits, though. I found a coin. I found another note. Okay. What's this? Uncomfortably safe. She grabbed my hand and said, "You're alive." I've never experienced anything like it before. She led me out of the classroom and into the dark halls of the school. Somehow, I knew everything was gonna be okay, because she was with me. Okay. So, what the fuck? Why are you here? Okay, that actually kind of startled me. Why is she here? Like, in the dark, nonetheless. I found another espresso. Oh, coffee. Hi. Yesol? Hey, it's you. Remember me? You're still alive. Interesting. Barely. Miss Song just attacked me with a freaking box cutter. She actually tried to kill me. We gotta get the hell out of here. What are you even doing here? Calm down. Panicking is only going to get you killed. Unless that's what you want. How the hell am I supposed to stay calm? Did you hear anything I just said? Keep it down or shut your mouth. I'm starting to believe you actually want the killer. to find us. Killer? Okay. Maybe I'm exaggerating a bit. Exaggerated a bit. Can't read. I mean, Miss Song does seem a bit cuckoo. But who doesn't get that way during finals? Dude, she had like demonically possessed eyes and her mouth was like smeared of like either blood or lipstick or something. Yeah, that is not normal. That is not from exams. That is like far from like losing your mind over an exam. Like that is like I know people can, but still, dude. One sec. And I highly doubt any of like in this point I'd be like, this ain't a dream, something's up, what the hell? And just roll with it. The danger's real. I'm not going to waste any more time convincing you. This Miss Song of yours may be responsible for the carnage I've seen throughout the school. You're here for a reason, and you can't just leave either. Or either. What? Anything that happens in this dark place, is linked to your waking world. Something brought you here. If you want to leave, you'll need to figure out what it is. Search for your key to enter and leave this place. Dark place. I mean, can you hear yourself right now? You've gotta be messing with me. You said the killer looks like your teacher. Why her? You should probably figure that out before you end up in a ditch. Oh, thanks. What do you mean looks like her? I was supposed to meet Miss Song after class, but fell asleep during exams. She's been chasing me since I woke up. That thing is not Miss Song. Perhaps some place linked with your teacher will shed light on this mystery. Why don't you can't read. Why don't you try checking her desk? Her desk? Her desk is in the staff room. That's all the way in the main building. And the gate's locked tight. What would I even be looking for? Already ahead of you. I found this note that says a student from 1A took the gate's key back to his homeroom. The note also has the door's passcode written on it. What about you? The cafeteria isn't exactly the safest place to chill out. Wait, how the hell do you even know your way around here? I have my own matters to attend to. Just get to class 1A and look for that key. See you around, young-ho. Right. Assuming one of us doesn't get stabbed. Wait. Let's just call the police. You have a phone, right? That would be an exercise of futility. There's no way to contact the outside world from here. Sewa is our world now. Better get used to it. Great. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Oh, this crap again. Why must you do this? Computer? There we go. Okay, so my mouse can do that too. I didn't even know that. I'm dumb. Okay, what's this? Did you freeze? Oh, shoot. Oh, what the hell? Oh my gosh. Oh, computer, what the heck is wrong with you? Oh, Lord. My computer is totally freaking out again. Why is it whenever I record, my computer decides to freak out? Oh, it does not. There we go. Okay. What's this? Oh, I have that. Oh, it stops your stamina from decreasing. You know what? I'm gonna purchase this. Sweet. I have 0 money. Okay. This picture of a mysterious girl suddenly appeared in my bag. Who is this girl? Yeah, who the heck is she? Weird. Oh, okay, this must be like the passcode. This memo contains the door combination for Class 1A. Whoever's swept the class before school must have missed it. Pardon me, guys. Don't mean to sneeze. Okay. Out of the way, mouse. Okay. Gonna save. I'm probably gonna be doing this a lot, guys. Just because, well, caution. Best to be cautious. Alrighty. So, map. Okay. I am probably gonna be very cautious about all this. I have no idea where the hell Miss Song or the killer is gonna be, but so. Oh shit, I gotta turn off my flashlight too, cause yeah. Can't believe Yeso convinced me to go back to Class 1A. Why should I even believe anything she says? Shit, I didn't mean to do that. Well, it gives me a chance to turn off my flashlight, right? There we go. Best not even have that thing on because it's just gonna be danger. Danger to extreme. Shit. Can't. Fuck! Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Okay, I might. Oh, it is a safe place. Okay, something is really freaking this out, so again, I'm gonna have to end it here. Kind of a short episode, but until I figure out what the hell's going on, yeah. Sorry, guys. This is really not the greatest thing. Again, I'm doing this for fun, but I really do want to try to make this good for people to enjoy and all that other stuff. So, yeah. I might just switch over to the Higurashi thing, visual novel. That'll be a bit easier, I think, at least for now. Anyway, yeah. Hope you guys at least liked this short little vid. We'll just see how it goes from here. Bye, guys.